Hello, I'm Casey, and I'll be making a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. First, we'll start off by washing our hands. Get your soap and wash for 40 seconds with warm water. The ingredients we have is a brioche roll, Land O'Lakes American cheese, Oscar Mayer bacon pre-cooked, grade A, large, firm, fresh egg, and butter. So first, we're going to start off by toasting our bun. We're going to grab butter and place it in the medium-high heat pan. Swirl that around your pan so it gets an even coat. And take your buns, place it in the pan. Wait until those get golden brown on each side. So we're going to take our egg, crack it in this little bowl, place the eggshell in there just for now, and then whisk it so the yolk is broken and it cooks evenly through when you cook it. Just take another thing of butter, place it in the pan, swirl that one around, and then take your egg, drop that in, cover that a little. Okay, so now we're going to take the bun out. Nice golden brown. Place it on a plate. Okay. Then we're going to check on the egg. Looks almost cooked on the bottom. We're going to flip this. Now get your pre-cooked bacon. Put it on a plate, put it in the microwave for 40 seconds, let that cook, and then we'll wash the egg. Looks almost about done, so we're going to take our slice of cheese, place that right on the egg, let that melt a little bit, and then wait for our bacon. While we're waiting for the bacon, let's just put all the ingredients in there. Get a nice clean kitchen. And then take your bacon, nice and crispy. Place that on the bottom roll. Evenly spread it out. It's a little hot. Ooh. Alright. Then take your egg. Place it right over bacon. Top that off with the bun. You got yourself a bacon, egg, and cheese. Time to take a bite. That's good. That's really good. Thank you for joining me today. This was with bacon, egg, and cheese, and I hope you enjoyed. You got yourself a bacon, egg, and cheese. Hot. Wait. Cut it. Dude, it's way too hot. Give it a minute. Wait, what? Okay.